15명이나.
왜요?
이거만 맛있는 거야. 그럼 센지야. 깨져?
Yep, I'm up at 4:20. Today's gonna be a long day. By the way, check out where I'm sleeping. Checking out the soccer match. Installing this Thai International Tourist Sim. This comes out to be much cheaper because it works everywhere in Asia for only about $10 for 8 days. All the baggage I'll be carrying across Seoul today. It's literally pitch black out here. A totally train to Busan kind of atmosphere right now. Nobody's here. So basically the plan is to go down to the south of Seoul, which is Suwon, to meet my friend who's gonna be taking off for a business trip, and pick up my camera and head a little bit up north to see my cousin who's gonna take care of my dental needs. And then I'm gonna go to the west side of Seoul, which is near Hongdae, and go drop off my luggage with my aunt. So I'm gonna have to be lugging all this plus this pretty much up and down and across Seoul.
지금 문산. The train bound for Munsan is now approaching.
Oh yeah, plenty of seats. But I imagine it's gonna start getting packed later on during the day, especially during rush hour. That's probably why they don't have the seats now, so more people can pack in here. So I just got off there, and I'm transferred over to this yellow line now. God. Oh man, these steps, oh my god. Walking over to the Ambassador Hotel, my friend's staying there. Should have my camera, even with all this luggage I'm carrying around. I'm like happy to accept more. IBIS Ambassador. Okay, I just met my friend at the IBIS Hotel. I picked up my camera and I'm gonna head over to Moran Station where I have a dentist appointment. Holy cow, I can't get in. So many people walking out right now. Oh man, it was so hard holding my laughter. That guy was like on drugs or something. He was holding up like 4 handrails. It's like girls that would cuss, and then there's girls that were just straight out scared of this guy and walked away. Ooh, tteokbokki, kimbap, I'm already feeling it, but I think I want to hold out for something better. Huh. So I'm at the intersection where it says it's the Shijang or the market intersection. But I have a feeling that that's where the Shijang used to be, but they're tearing it down maybe and redeveloping it into some office or some commercial buildings instead. This is sort of what's happening to Korea in general. Okay, I'm back to this place. They're selling like these hot dogs for $1, different burgers for $2. Oh, I love these hot dogs. Alright, all this for about less than $2.50. This is what we call odeng. Super good if you're really cold and you want to warm yourself up. You'll brush some soy sauce onto that using this, and it's complimentary to actually scoop a little bit of the broth right here and drink it with the cups that they'll provide you. Oh man, it's so hard to find something even if you're right there. Look at all these signages. I think I see like 3 dentists just in this area alone. The entrance, it's in the back of the building. Wow, like everything was so fast I didn't even have a chance to like video anything in there. I was like in and out. Like contrary to how it looks like on the outside, in the inside it was like the most high-tech advanced dentist I've ever gone to. Like they had like an MRI circling around my head or something just to take an x-ray, and then there's like this big screen TV with my teeth. Anyways, if you're ever in Korea, I highly recommend you check out the dentist here. It's probably about the same price or cheaper than your deductible even if you have insurance. That's been my experience. Alright, finally at Hongdae now. That pretty much ends my subway trip for the day. Started at 5 a.m, now it's at 12, so I think that's actually quite efficient for having traveled as much as I did throughout Seoul. Finally at my aunt's place.
얘는 또 누구야? 나 얘 몰라.
비디오 게임이야. 진짜. Yeah.
정말 대박.
Yeah. Just got to a popular pastry place.
네, 그러면 이렇게 슬라이드 해가지고요. 그래요?
We're getting a combination Danish bread for breakfast with some original cream cheese. Well, this is supposed to be a super popular ice cream place. We have rated R ice cream, which is makgeolli and Kahlua, and wine and strawberry ice creams.
그래서 처음에는 내가 안 한다 그랬어. 무섭다고, 좀비들 나오는 거 무섭다고. 아마 미국 가면 플레이스테이션 사올 거야, 이 사람.
이 정도면 플레이스테이션.
Squirrel!
We were looking at bus tickets. Welcome to Korea! Woo!